let's start the another topic with the discussion of what makes election democratic. What are the things that make elections are democratic? Now we are going to discuss about that what are the things that make elections are democratic, जो हमारे elections को democratic बनाती है. My dear student, in each and every country there is a process to conduct the elections, and through the elections the peoples of that particular country are choose their representative. There is a provisions of the elections in some of the non-democratic country also. They have their own system through which they have elect their representative, जो अपने representative को elect करते हैं. But basically when we talk about the democratic system, in democratic system there are few things that makes elections are more democratic. When there is a too much of freedom, when there is a rights of the citizens are preserved, when there is a voters are to be felicitated, it means we can say these process, these steps makes the elections are more democratic. This is our topic, that what makes an election democratic. What are the things that makes our election more democratic? You can take the example of China, you can take the example of Saudi Arabia. There you cannot say that ki elections process are completely democratic based. There are some hereditary, there are some monarchy system, there are kind of dictatorship are there in both the countries while conducting the election to choose their representatives. As I told you in the previous lecture that China has the one party system, and the Communist Party of China has only right to participate in the elections, and after some time they choose their president. But if you talk about India, there are so many points which prove that the elections are completely democratic in Indian democratic system. भारतीय डेमोक्रेटिक सिस्टम में द प्रोसेस ऑफ द इलेक्शंस, जो इलेक्शंस का प्रोसेस है वो पूरी तरीके से डेमोक्रेटिक है, उसको हम लोग नजरअंदाज नहीं कर सकते. व्हाट आर द पॉइंट्स वी हैव इंक्लूड दैट प्रूफ अस दैट elections are based on democratic manners, and these steps makes the elections more democratic. I have included the so many point here which I would like to discuss with you all, my dear student. First point is everyone should able to choose. Those who are residing in India, all the peoples, those who have completed their 18-year age, they have right to choose their representative. It doesn't mean that any person are belong to very high profile society or any person are belong to very lower category or lower class. Both have the equal right to choose their representatives. Means everyone should have one vote and every vote have equal value. There is no discriminations that the value of your vote is more than to me or the value of my vote is more than you. There is no. Every person have one vote and each vote have equal value. One vote, one person, one vote, one value. This is the good features of Indian democratic system that makes our election more democratic. Either the former Prime Minister of India cast their vote or a beggar cast their vote. The value of the vote of both the persons are equal. There is no discrimination. This makes elections are more democratic. Second is free to contest election, offer some real choice to the voter. As you know that in India there is a multi-party system. and even then, if a person are not belong to any political party, they are free to contest in election as an independent candidate. And when there is so many of political party are just fight in the elections, and some of the independent candidate are front of the voter, it means this system provide the real choice in front of the voter. It's up to the voter, they are free to choose their representative जिससे वो convinced हुए हैं, जिस व्यक्ति से वो सहमत हुए हैं, they can give their vote to them. They are free to give their vote. So the multi-party system, the independent candidate, they provide the real choice in front of the voter. And when there is a real choice are there in front of the voter, it means we are free to choose our representative independently. These things makes our election more democratic. किसी भी इलेक्शन सिस्टम में जहां वोटर्स के सामने ज्यादा चॉइस होंगी, ज्यादा ऑप्शंस होंगे, द सच इलेक्शंस कैन बी कंसीडर मोर डेमोक्रेटिक. थर्ड, choice at the regular interval. It doesn't, if you talk about in India, the elections are held just after 5 years or the regular interval, so that the elected representative cannot make their mind that we are permanent executive. No, you all are the political executive, and political executive tenure is not fixed. If you are not fulfill the requirement of the peoples who selected you, there is a possibility in the next election to lose the election. अगले इलेक्शन में पॉसिबिलिटी है कि आप चुनाव हार जाएं. ये जनता के हाथ में होता है कि आपको वो बैठाती है, आपको उतार भी सकती है. सो द चॉइस इज अवेलेबल एट द रेगुलर इंटरवल. दिस इज द वेरी यूनिक फीचर्स ऑफ democratic system, and that's make our elections more democratic. Fourth is, election must be held regularly after every few years. There is a provision in the constitution, the elections will be held at the regular interval. The political executive will be elected for 5 years, and after 5 years there is a process of the elections. Again, the political executive have to be proof that I have to do work for you in the last 5 years. If the population, if the citizen or the member of the constituencies are not satisfied with your performance, there is a possibility to lose your elections. अगर उस constituency के मतदाता आपके कार्य से सहमत नहीं है, they are not happy with your work, it means they have right to change you. This features makes our election more democratic. Elections are conducted free and fair manners. Peoples are free, voters are free. There is an independent organization, Election Commission of India, that makes our election more democratic. There is no use of money and muscles power. Voters are completely free to cast their vote. Voters are completely free to elect their representative. No one can compel you कि आप उसको वोट दीजिएगा या आप उसको वोट दीजिएगा. So these features prove that our election system are more democratic. हमारा जो इलेक्शन सिस्टम है वो बहुत ज़्यादा लोकतांत्रिक है, बहुत ज़्यादा मोटिवेटेड है, बहुत ज़्यादा डेमोक्रेटिक है. सो देर इज ए कंप्लीट ट्रांसपेरेंसी, देर इज ए कंप्लीट ट्रांसपेरेंसी, देर इज ए नो हेजल्स, देर इज नो एनी इश्यूज, देर आर सो मेनी ऑफ राइट हैव बीन गिवन टू द वोटर्स ऑफ इंडिया, and they are free to use their rights while elections. All these facilities which is given by the Election Commission of India or which is given by the democratic system of India to the voters makes our election more democratic. हमारे elections को ज़्यादा democratic बनाते हैं. So the question can be come in your examination, what are the things that makes our elections more democratic? इससे related आपके exams में question आ सकता है. So be careful. I am going to include all the relevant point which can be asked by the board during the examination. ये आप निश्चित कर लीजिएगा बच्चों. मिलते हैं बेटा नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में. थैंक यू वेरी मच.